we're just continuing with trying to find our maxes and mins. We've gone through and taken the derivative of the function, set it equal to 0, and we've come up with possible maxes and mins from the last lecture are x equals 2 and x equals 10. Now we need to find the y values that go with these. Do not substitute these back into the derivative because we're not trying to graph the derivative. We're trying to graph the original function. So for x equals 2, substitute 2 into f, and you get 2 cubed minus 18 times 2 squared plus 60 times 2 and when you work out all that arithmetic, you come up with y is 56. The other thing is, if you substitute in 10 back into your original function, you're going to come up with y is a negative 200. So altogether, we've found this out. That 0, 0 is on our graph. We've found out that 2 and 56 is on our graph. Just putting the x values in order. We've found out that 4.418 is on our graph, and that was when y was 0. We found out, let's see, when x was 10, y was a negative 200. And then we found out when x was 13.583, y was 0. So we can do a quick plot of those things. Goes through 0, 0. Goes through 2 and 56. So this is 2, 56 is way up there. Then back down around 4, it's at 0. And then at 10, it's all the way down to negative 200. So 10's over here. This thing is way here. And then it goes back up to 0. So if you try to connect all that stuff up, it comes up through here, down through this point, up through here, and up there. Just by connecting the points with a reasonably smooth curve. Now, you can verify that that looks like a good graph by actually graphing it on your graphing calculator as well. But that's the basic procedure for these problems, is that.